Hi, my name's Matt and I come from Australia. I was recommended by a friend to come here. He's also Australian. I came because I wanted to get FUE hair transplant to bring it more to the front and to look more natural and to make me feel younger again. When I first arrived, I was shown the operating theatre and I was told what would happen, and then took some blood to do PRP to spin it around, and then I sat down, made sure I was comfortable, and then they measured where they're going to draw the hairline. The service has been great. It's actually been like a spa. I feel very relaxed and I actually enjoy coming back each day to get my hair washed because it's very relaxing. I actually think GLOJAS is very professional. I'm very confident, and if I need more treatments in the future, I will definitely come back to GLOJAS. Thank you, GLOJAS, and thanks for all your hard work. I really enjoyed it.